Okay, boys and girls, welcome back. It's Tuesday, December the 1st. It is the first day in a new month, which is December, and that is the last month of 2020. And I know that we are all so excited to start a new year in January. So happy December 1st. We're going to continue with subtracting today within 20. Yesterday, the strategies that we used were pictures and drawings and objects. Today, we're going to use counting back and counting back up to subtract. So give me a big Superman pose and repeat after me. I can subtract within 20 using my strategies. So let's go ahead and go to our first strategy today, which is going to be counting back. So our problem says there were 16 presents that needed to be wrapped. Santa's elves wrapped 7. How many are left to wrap? So the two important numbers you see here are 16 and 7. And there are 16 presents to begin with. So put that number 16 in your head. Then we have that the elves already wrapped 7. So counting back, we're going to start at 16 and count back 7 times. So the way I like to do this is we're starting with 16, put that one in your head, and then hold up 7 fingers. As you count back, put down 1 finger each time until you have no fingers left standing. When you have no fingers left standing, that will be your answer. So 16 in your head, hold up 7 fingers, and we're going to count back. So every time you count back, put a finger down. So 16 is in your head, then count back. 15, put down 1 finger. 14, put down another finger. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Now you should have no fingers left standing, and that tells you that your answer is 9. So 16 minus 7 is 9, and we got that from counting back. Let's try that again with this problem. There were 14 presents under the tree. Miss Riles' kids opened 5. How many presents are still under the tree? So again, we know our important numbers are 14 and 5. So we're starting with 14 and 5 are taken away. So put 14 in your head and we're counting back 5. So I'm going to hold up 5 fingers. As I count back, I'm putting down a finger each time. So 14, 13, put down a finger. 12, put down a finger. Keep going. 11, 10, 9. I have no fingers left standing, so my answer is 9. Very good job. So 14 minus 5 equals 9. So we solved that by counting back. Now let's look at another problem, and we're going to practice counting back up. So this time we're going to start and count up. So the problem says there are 12 ornaments on a tree. 4 ornaments fell off. How many are left on the tree? So it says circle the smaller number and put dots to count back up. So if I'm circling the smaller number and using dots to count back up, is 12 or 4 smaller? 4 is smaller, and I'm going to put dots to start at 4 and count back up to 12. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I'm counting back up to 12, so I stop when I get to 12. Now, to find my answer, I count the number of dots I created. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 would then be my answer. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. Okay, let's try another one by counting back up. So there were 13 snowflakes falling from the sky. 6 of them melted. How many are left? So counting back up, we circle the smaller number and count back up to 13. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, to find my answer, I count the number of dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 13 minus 6 equals 7. So just to review, today we practiced counting back and counting back up. So that is all for today's lesson. Make sure you follow the number under the apple for today's date to see what your assignments are. See you tomorrow.